Hi guys, I'm going to give the Lamborghini Veneno a run in the park here with the speed app on my phone, so we can see how fast it goes. It's currently saying 1.67 miles. We'll reset that. Yes. Reset average. Yes. Okay. So everything's set to 0. Put camera on. Let's see what it says. Oh, that's quite impressive. 8.38 miles per hour maximum. Well, for a little car like this, 1/16 scale, 8.38. Not bad. We'll give it another run just in case we can do better. No, didn't improve on it. 8.38 again. Reset. Reset. Okay, one last run. We did do better. 8.94. Well, we could play with this all day, I expect. That's good enough for me for today. 8.94 with the Lamborghini Veneno. That was with my 2S LiPo battery that I made specially for this car. So now we'll unplug it for safety.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.